for my trading plan, and I want to recap what I did wrong, and where I'm going to go from here to fix my mistakes. Hello everyone, my name is Evan and you're watching Hef Trade here on YouTube. Thanks for clicking on the video today. I cover options, trades, options, trade ideas, trading tutorials, as well as just general portfolio reviews of my options journey. If this is the type of content you're looking for on YouTube and you're interested in learning from my 4 years of experience trading options, please consider clicking the subscribe button and the like button below. It would be great help to me and to you if that is something you're looking for. As far as what we're going to talk about today, I'm going to go over 2 trades where I broke my trade plan rule, and also the current state of the market and my mindset of what I plan to do in the next couple weeks and next couple months as we go through a difficult time with a bear market, what it looks like. So I'm going to go over two trades that I took today that I had going, and I have a trade for Intel and a trade for BP. And so these were just small trades that I put on, and I'll jump over to my Discord where I keep a trading journal. And so in my trading journal, I'm going to go to the Intel, INTC, here we go. And over here I had it was intended to be a 3-day trade, and I broke my rule number 12. And rule number 12 on my trading is that I need to close the front month for earnings, and if I want to keep a trade open through earnings, then I need to roll it out to the back month, and that's something that I didn't do, as well as I broke the third day in the trade. So what I was intending to see was that this trade kind of bounced and took a little bit of profit after a small three-day trade, and ended up staying in this trade, and I'm still in it after being in it for 6 days. Now that's not a big deal in terms of the size of this actual trade, because it's only $1 wide and there's only one contract, so you know, max loss is only about $65. But if I were to have followed my trade plan, and if you're into trading and you know what stocks to be looking at, you can see that this is a big move on Intel. This is a $7 move, which is a massive move on a $30 stock. You know, that's what, about a 25% move almost. Imagine that's pretty big. And this is something that I wouldn't be dealing with had I closed after being in this trade for 3 days. Like I said, I'm not going to lose a lot of money here, but at the same time, breaking your rules leads to situations like this where, yes, it would have been $10 loss, $15 loss instead of a $65 loss. So, you know, this is kind of my own punishment to myself to make sure that I follow my trading plan. So jumping over to BP on Thinkorswim over here. Over at BP, the situation is not as bad. In fact, I have the trade of, this is the trade for BP right here. I have a 34 put credit spread, and my intention was to close after earnings. And you know, if I actually listened to myself and I closed on this move up right here, I might have had a couple dollars profit. You know, it's not a lot, but it wouldn't be breached in terms of the 35 strike. So, you know, just another thing, make sure I'm staying to the trading plan and, you know, doing what I'm supposed to be doing and doing what I'm planning on doing. In terms of the market, let's go look at SPY, because that is where things are getting a little bit hot. So there was a big bounce through this trend line, and one of my part of my analysis that I had done was that I said if this trend line broke and then it tested this 564 area on the Fibonacci and bounced back towards the 550 area and then moved higher, we would probably be in a bullish scenario. Well, as you can see, broke the trend line, so that's item number one. But we didn't see a retest of this 550 level, the 50% Fibonacci, and we're busting on back down. So this to me shows us that the sellers are still in control and we are moving lower. Maybe we will see a triple bottom in this case right here, but I don't think so. I think it's quite unlikely. I think we're going to just keep moving lower. And the next stop looks like it's going to be right around this area at 520, 525, somewhere in there. Because of that, my portfolio is kind of taking a little bit of heat, and I have tried to be as defensive as I possibly can. So I do have several put credit spreads, like I mentioned, Intel, BP, XOM, and then I have Walmart, which is a call credit spread. And if you are a new subscriber, or if you are new to this channel and just watching one of my videos for the first time, I really appreciate you clicking on the video. I did make a mention of this in one of my YouTube shorts, and this trade is this was actually a really good setup on Walmart, with a short 71 call being the high side. So keeping this trade on, it has 15 days to go and still 60% probability of profit. So there's a good likelihood that we could see more profits to come out of this trade. But I still have a stop loss set in place, and I have a limit order ready to take the profit when if it does come my way. So hopefully this will give me some profits in terms of downside protection. But Walmart is kind of a defensive stock, so if things are going down on the overall market, then this might be something that could be moving up. But in any event, this gives me some negative delta, so that's a good thing. SPY, this is a negative delta position, so that's pretty good. That's a a broken wing butterfly. I have Oracle is a call credit spread. I have the QQQ here that I threw on today, also a call credit spread, and this is intended to hedge against some of the other tech stocks that I have in play: Intel, MU, Micron, Amazon, and HPQ. So my vision is that if any of those four stocks go down, then the call credit spread here for QQQ should accommodate for some of the losses that will come with those four tech stocks. At least that's the idea. So sometimes the market doesn't agree with what we have in store for our trades. Well, one of the things that I do want to review and just kind of coach myself about is the fact that I feel I'm doing well in having a trade plan, and I've been journaling a lot of the things that I have been experiencing. So there are three things that I feel I've done well in the last few days. I've stuck with my plan. That's the first thing, besides obviously breaking the rules, like I'm punishing myself to make this video right now. I've paid attention to my buying power, and I've noticed that that has been very effective in terms of reducing P&L swings. And I've used my previous experience to kind of figure out what it is that I should be doing and how should I be managing my account, so that I'm not just flipping my account short and expecting things to keep going down, and then when things turn around and start going up again, my account is all of a sudden surprised. So my account currently is delta neutral. I have about a -2 delta, and I'm looking to keep it that way until we find some sort of a bottom. I'll keep rolling down calls so that I can manage those deltas, and maybe I'll just close some long positions, or maybe I'll even go to cash. So those are things that I'll be figuring out. But if you are a trader on their journey just like I am, I'd love to hear from you and your experience. What's worked for you in your experiences in your trading journey? Please leave me a comment below. Like this video if this is something that you're looking for, and as always, looking to stay green like everyone else. Hope you're having a great day. Have a great one.